All right, you guys, I apologize. This is part two. I thought I was done, but I realized I had another Zyboard. And the reason why is I think it'll get faster and faster. So this is about finding the common base, okay? So I think it's because I just had so many examples that I needed to use two boards to get through the topics. So look, 27 and 9 have a common base. What is that base? Both can be rewritten base 3. 27 is 3 cubed, whereas 9 is 3 squared. But we need to keep that right there. Okay, now once you get this base the same, then you can just equate the exponents. That's all you do. Okay, and we're done. And then, well, you're not done. You need to solve for x, but I'm sure you guys could do that. So I don't need to do that. It's more about just being able to deal with this weird exponent variable in the exponent. The goal is always to bring it down. And so here, our goal, by finding the common base, we were able to bring it down to the ground. Okay, so let's try the next one. Whoa, I don't want to save that image. Wow, I do. Okay, here we go. Next. Okay, let's go ahead and look at this one. Okay, solving an exponential equation by using logarithms decimal answers. Now you're actually going to enter crap into the I need to fix my language. I'm sorry. I think I'm so tired. I think that's what it is. I think I'm just being weird. Okay. You're like, no, Miss Baca, you're weird every day. It's okay. All right. So here we go. 11 to the y plus 3 equals 12. Well, we have a problem here. Okay. We have this thing in the exponent, and that's not okay. So what we have to do is we have to bring it down, but you can't bring it down at all. Like there's no rule that says we can bring it down. There's no common base between 11 and 12. So this is where, okay, if you want to bring down the exponent, you take the log. Well, which log am I going to take? It's got to match that base. That's the trick. It's got to match. So you are going to take the log 11 here. Okay, now if you did it to one side, you best do it to the other. Okay, so we took log 11 of 11. Now we can bring this down, and this equals 1, so it goes away. So you get y plus 3 equals log 11 of 12. Okay, and then y is equal to log 11 of 12 minus 3. Okay, so here's the trick. How do you find log 11 of 12? We talked about this yesterday. You can enter it into a standard calculator by using the change of base formula. And I think it was log 12 over log 11. I think this is the one that went on top. You guys have the change of base formula, minus 3. Okay, if you're fancy schmancy and you go grab yourself what's it called? A decimal scientific. No, I don't want calculator. I want scientific. Come here, you. Let's do this. Delete, 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 delete. I want scientific. There's the scientific one right here. Okay. If we get scientific, it has this cool little thing under functions. Check it out. Oh, this isn't the one that has it. Oh, dang. Poop. Okay, it's the graphing one, actually. Check it out. And the graphing one, I don't think you can use it as a calculator, so that kind of sucks. But look, on the graphing one, if that little thing would go away so I can get access. Well, I need to access my tools, sir. Oh, hey, I can remove that thing. Okay. So look, if you get these tools, come on. Why is it not going? Why are you not going? Okay, I don't know what's going on here. Okay. Huh. It doesn't want to work. I don't know why. Okay, you're not bothered by this little guy, right? I don't know why the clicky thing's not working. Okay, well, I'm sorry, you guys. You have to just use your regular old calculator, and you would just plug that in. Log 12 divided by log 11 equals minus 3. And then you get your answer, okay? Round it to the nearest hundredth. So, if you want me to do one, we can. Calculator right here. AC, you would do log, I said that would be log A. 12 and over 11. 12 over 11. Log 12 divided by, nope, careful, you need to finish that. Log 12 divided by log 11, close the parentheses, minus 3. It should know order of operations. Okay, so it should know which one to do first. All right, negative 1.96. And I think you need to round it to the nearest hundredth, so that would be 96. Oh, wow, that's crazy. Minus 3. So then oh, wait, we already did the minus 3. Never mind, I just plugged that into the calculator. All right, take a look at this one. Okay, again, it doesn't have any common base. So we're going to be fancy pants, okay, smarty pants, and we are going to take the log of both sides. We want to bring this down. So we're going to take the log, which base? Base 15. We're going to take log base, I did not write that at the right. It bugs me when people don't do this, so I'm going to do it. Okay, and I'm going to erase this. Oh, no. Okay. No. Okay, I did it. Okay. Okay. Log base 15 of 7. Okay. So we took the log. This cancels out, and you can bring it down. Y plus 8 equals log 15 of 7. Okay? And then you subtract the 8, and you get y equals log 15 of 7 minus 8. And then you use the change of base, and maybe you feel like using the natural log. So you decide to use the natural log instead. Oh, please be right, you guys. Did I do the change of base formula right? I'm like freaking out right now. Change of base. Why is this on caps? Change of base formula. Yes, I did do it correctly. Okay, good. Okay, one. Here we go. Maybe I should just shut that one down so I don't keep clicking it. All right. And then I shut down my geometry one. Okay. Anyway, that's what you're going to plug it into your calculator. Okay, next. Let's make this bigger. Okay, pull it over. All right, now it's natural log. So instead of taking the log, you're going to take the natural log, which is basically, we say still taking the log, which is kind of funny, right? So we want to get the problem. Okay, first of all, what's the problem? The exponent. The variables in the exponent. We need to bring it down, right? So we need to bring this down. But we can't bring it down if we don't have a log, because that's a log rule. So you need to make this, you need to take the log of both sides. Whatever you do to one side, you must do to the other. This cancels out, and you get y minus 2 equals log e of 8. Did I just put log e? Holy heck. I hope you guys are wondering where my brain is, because I'm kind of wondering where my brain is. You guys, it's the natural log. It's e. Oh, we take ln. Oh, goodness gracious, you guys. That's how we do the natural log. Wow. Ln of 8. And that actually can be put in the calculator. We can put ln of 8 and then add 2. So it just equals ln of 8 plus 2. And that's it. It's just algebra. Just plug it into your calculator, and that's easy. When you get to the calculator, here it is. There's the little natural log right there. 8, close the parentheses, plus 2. Boom. There you go. You got your answer. Okay, let's try another one. Okay. Now decimal answers. Okay. So look, you got E. Well, we've been doing decimal answers. I don't know why I said that. So we're going to take the natural log of both sides. Okay, ln. That'll allow us to bring this down. And again, you guys, if you need to solve this, so I want to get rid of the 6. What do? I divide. That's it. You just carry these words like they're actual I mean, they're mathematical functions, so it makes sense. So you're going to plug in ln of 4 divided by 6, and that's going to be the problem. So anyway, what I was saying is that always, always, always do try to do these on your own if you can. Okay, so here we go. Again, no common base possible. Okay. Oh, and you're like, well, what do I do now? Okay, seriously, what do we do now? Let's check this out. Part of me is wondering. Okay, part of me looks at this and I'm like, I don't know. We might have to take the two different logs at different times. Let's see. What if we took, or I guess we just have to choose which, I don't know. Let's see. You guys, honestly, I'll be honest. Not exactly sure how to solve this. I'm just going to try to use log rules. Let's go. So this is my experiment right now. I'm going to take log base 3 to bring this 4x down, okay? But if I do it to one side, I hate the way I wrote that. Okay. If I do it to one side, I have to do it to the other. So I'm going to go log base 3 of 13. So this will be negative 4x equals log base 3 of 13 to the negative x plus 6. All right, I have a log. I have an exponent. I can bring this down, but it's just not pretty, okay? It's negative 4x equals negative x plus 6 times log 3 of 13. What? Okay, now the problem is x is inside the parentheses. So we would have to distribute. Wow, I wonder if I'm doing this right now. At this point, I'm just like, Look, x is on both sides. Now you might think, oh, can't I just get rid of the parentheses and add the x? No, because remember, it multiplies by this. When it comes down, it multiplies by it. So we can't just get rid of it. But I can move the log 313 to the other side by dividing by it. I don't know if this is going to get me anywhere. If you guys just want to sit back and watch me struggle, you are welcome to do that, just to see if you could do it too. Cancels. And now we have that. Now, am I any closer? I don't know. I don't feel closer. This is one of those ones I might go look at the solution just to remind myself, and then I'd be like, crap, I knew how to do that. Nope. That didn't get me anywhere because I can't get rid of the 4x, you guys. I can't get rid of the 4x without without multiplying by that log 3 of 13. Okay. You know what's nice about you doing this on the computer? Is it not undoing it? I was going to say, I could undo everything. Okay, I'm not going to divide. This is a funky one. Okay, let me go ahead and distribute this. Okay, so we get negative 4x equals negative x times log 3 of 13 plus 6 log 3 of 13. Okay, now we need to get our x's together. Even though this is attached to log 3, I need to actually get it together. So I'm going to have to move it over. So I get negative 4x plus x log 3 of 13 equals 6 log 3 of 13. Okay, do you see what I did? I just moved it to that side. Now I need to get these together. How the heck am I going to get that together? Honestly, how do I not know how to do this? Let's see. Watch me be really close and just not know how to do this. Like I'm missing one final step. Dang it. Okay, so I can't add these together because I have that dang log. Dang it, I need to get my x's together. Grr. Trying to figure out all the tricks you know. Let's see. The problem is, okay, we can do log 3. We got rid of that one, but we can't do log 3, 13. Okay. Sorry, you guys are going to have to sit here. This is what I would be doing in class if I were doing it with you. I'd be like, help me figure it out. And too bad you're not here because maybe some of you guys can see something I can't. Okay. So we need to get this together. But that would be even factoring. We haven't done that kind of factoring, so that doesn't make even sense to me. Maybe, can I just divide by this at this point? Am I thinking too hard? Like I can't. Could I just do this? Negative x plus 6 at this point. But still, I can't get the x's down the top. Okay, I'm going to mark this one. Is that the last one? No. Okay, there's 2 of these. So I'm trying to figure this out. Is there 2 or 3? Okay, I don't know what the heck I'm doing. Hang on a second. Um, I'm going to go ahead and pause this for a second while I look this up. Sorry, I'm looking for my thing. There it is. No, that's not it. Oh my gosh, where am I? I'm right here. Okay. Oh, I don't have the pause button. That's what I don't have the pause, y'all. Ah, it's here. Okay, I guess that worked out to be a little serendipitous because my daughter called me at the same time, so yay. So guys, here's what I did. My stupidity or bad decision was right here. None of this math is wrong. It's just why would I take base 3 when it didn't bring it down? That's inefficient and I didn't get anything, nothing happened. It didn't work. In other words, the goal is to get the exponents down. And then I took log base 3 and then I was stuck with that stupid log 18. Okay, that was dumb. Okay, what I want to do, and I should have known this. I'm sorry. I just honestly 13 negative x plus 6. What we want to do is have the same log. Okay? Because remember, we can just bring it down. So we're going to take log 10 because our calculators do that. And this is the trick. And you could do ln too. Part of me just can't believe I just didn't forgot this, but it's okay. It's like one of those days. You know what's funny, you guys? I get vaccinated tomorrow, and I'm like going to be even more tired tomorrow. So hey, if you happen to watch this at night, I'm just going to tell you you're going to be asynchronous tomorrow. So yeah. All right. So now we can bring down the exponents. Okay. So it's negative 4x comes down, and negative x plus 6 comes down. I did all of that correctly before. It's just that I didn't pick the right logs. I don't know where my brain was. There, okay? There, that's all I need to say. No more apologizing. All right, so we have this 4x times log 3, okay? Log base 10 of 3, basically. We can say log 3. Then we're going to go ahead and distribute that the same way I did before. And then on this side. And it looks intimidating, but it's really not as bad as you think. You just got to get your x's together. Okay, so we're going to add x to both sides. So negative 4x. Oops. And by add x, I mean x term. Log 3. Ooh, I almost knocked that down right there. Do you guys see that? Boo, bad notation. There. It's on the same level as the log because there's a base 10 here, an imaginary base 10. Okay, we're going to add x log 13. Now, the reason why we did that is because we want to get our x's together. So remember, I was like, okay, we're going to need to factor. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we have x's in common. So we're going to kick out the x, and you're going to get negative 4 log of 3 base 10 of 3 plus log of 13 is equal to 6 times log 13. And then to get rid of this, you divide by that monster. Okay? You literally are going to divide both sides by this really awful, ugly looking thing. Because why? We don't discriminate. Nobody says you have to be a cute little log with only a couple parts, okay? That's what you do. Now, to plug it into the calculator, be very careful, okay? You need to make sure you plug in this as the numerator, then hit the divided button, and then put parentheses because the plus sign is right there. Otherwise, if you don't put parentheses around this, you guys, it's going to divide by this first one and not the sum. Okay, so be careful. Put parentheses around the numerator, hit divided parentheses around the denominator. Okay, so the trick here is the same. No matter what, it's the same. It's going to not change. We're going to just take the log base 10 or the natural log of each side. It doesn't matter. So here we are again. We have 3 to the 5x equals 5 to the x minus 2. And now we're going to take the log of both sides. I am going to take the natural log this time because for some reason I kind of love taking the natural log. So I'm going to take natural log of 3 to the 5x equals natural log of 5 to the x minus 2. Now I can bring down my exponent by rule 3. Okay. And then I have 5x ln 3 equals x minus 2 times ln of 5. Well, the x is stuck in the parentheses, so we got to distribute. X ln 5 minus 2 ln 5 equals 5x ln 3. Got to get our x's together. So we're going to subtract this and put it on the other side. So 5x ln 3 minus x ln 5 equals negative 2 ln 5. Okay, then we are going to factor the x out, and you get 5 ln 3 minus ln 5 equals negative 2 ln 5. And then we divide by this monster. On both sides. There you go. And then you would plug that into the calculator. Again, make sure you put parentheses, and then hit divided and parentheses. These are the really important parentheses here. Okay, here's another one. Okay, and so now it says exact answers in log form. Okay, so now what you're not going to do is you're not going to convert it to decimals. You're not going to plug it in your calculator. So when you do the log, let's say you do the log log 13 to the negative 4x equals log 14 negative x plus 8. You're going to bring that down, negative 4x log 13 negative x plus 8 log 14. Okay, distribute again. Okay, again, this is nothing more than algebra, but has words and, feel like variables almost. Add the x term to the left-hand side. And then you're going to factor out the x. So I guess what we're doing is just leaving this here. I'm not sure what the deal is, why they want you to do this. Write the exact answer using either base 10 or base E logarithms, which is, okay. I wonder if they want you to condense it. Like, in other words, what if you had x is equal to 8 times log 14 over negative 4 log 13 plus log 14. So in other words, log 14, my bad. What if we condensed this and we put this 8 up here? I wonder if that's what they want. I actually should check this. X is equal, but this is the first time I feel like I've run into something where I'm like, do they want that? Oh, 14 to the 8 over log 13 to the negative 4 plus log 14. And then these are adding, so you can condense it by saying x log 14 to the 8th over log 13 to the negative 4 times 14. Are we supposed to put those into the calculator, you guys? I'm actually going to cheat and look at this. Okay. Let's check this out. Ready? Let's check one of these problems out. My bad for not doing it ahead of. Actually, I did never have needed to. So hey, just weird. Come on, honey. There it comes. Okay. Let's look at this and see what they want. Okay. So, okay, they get it like that. Nope. That's all they wanted it. They didn't want us to condense it or anything. You just leave it like that, which is kind of silly. Why would that one come after this? Okay, when we had decimal answers. And then if you look at the explanation on decimal answers, look, they take the log and then they show you this and then they plug it in. In my opinion, this one was harder. All right, well, then you're good to go. Okay, I think so. I think I'm good to go. I think that was it. No, that isn't it, but I think we're good to go, honestly. Okay, this one, sorry about this. Okay, this is why you're gonna get dumb points for this. Okay. Using the Alex graphing calculator to solve the problem. Okay. 2 log x minus 1 equals 2x minus 5. Okay. Round to the nearest hundredth. So basically, what you're going to do is you're going to solve for x and then plug it into a calculator. Oh, plug it into the graphing calculator. Okay. You know what? I'm going to leave this. I already gave you a million notes. We'll do this as an addition at the end, okay? Or maybe I'll leave it as an extra credit one that if you want to do it, you can do it, okay? And yeah, because these word problems are more important. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and stop just because it's been a really long time.